Anybody want to sit and enjoy a view? Buffalo, New York. Crazy, crazy snowstorm. 4 feet of snow, 70-mile-an-hour winds, 27-foot waves, coating trees. Everything is under ice. Absolutely crazy. I've never seen anything like this. Look at this, completely coated in ice. This is crazy. Look at how much ice this is. Open up all. The whole shoreline is covered in ice. You'd think it would take a while for all this to melt or be taken care of? No.
It's fucking slippery out here. Really fucking slippery. Those are studs too.
Pánové, tahle magořina mě už nebaví.
A je to v piči. A je to v piči.
You can't rough, I know.
There we go.
Yeah. Watch out! Get out of your car! In your car! Watch out! Watch out, everybody! Watch out!
It's on there.
Holy
What is this car doing? Why'd you turn onto our road? Do you not see this chaos?